Please, if you have diabetes, you have a lot of sugar in your body. When I say a lot of sugar, and you are a diabetes patient, please, when you eat plantain, especially the green one, don't throw away the peel. Please, don't throw it away. It's good for people that have sugar and diabetes. See what I'm doing? Inside here, I have 3 cinnamon sticks here and some quantity of clove, okay? But you are going to watch the video, the beginning, you will see what I mean. If you are a diabetes patient, you have a lot of sugar in your body, please try to boil it, drink it 2 times per day for 3 days. Go and check. The result will shock you. Yes, 2 times per day for 3 days. If you have a lot of sugar in your body, you have a lot of sugar, you are a diabetes patient, just say bye-bye to sugar. Say bye-bye. All right? Well, just try for 3 days, just 3 days. Drink it 2 times per day, morning and night. And then after the 3 days, check and see. You will see the result will shock you. Don't forget, plantain, the peel. All right? Don't throw it away. Cinnamon stick, 3, just 3. Some amount of clove, all right? Put it inside the pot and boil it. As you can see, it's boiling now. Yes, as you can see, all right? So try this remedy. The result will shock you, okay? So this is mine, of course. The result will shock you. Please share. Thank you all. Bye.